Open up the drawing seed pattern for this lesson, and we're going to look at this option called seed pattern only. So pattern seed only, it's used when we want to mirror something or pattern something in two directions. And what happens is sometimes we can overlap features, and what this does is it prevents that from happening. And so this option allows us to only pattern the seed pattern, or the original. Okay, so let's just put this like this. We're going to go up here and we're going to select linear pattern. We've seen this before. For our first direction, we're going to pick this horizontal line going the long way. We're going to set our spacing to 30 millimeters. And we're going to set our instances to 2. Next, we're going to come over here to our flyout tree here, and we're going to pick our 3-prong plug, and that's going to be for our features. Okay, so we can see where it's going to pattern that from the original. Now for the direction 2, let's click here, and we're going to click this opposite but parallel line. And let's set the instances to 2 and the spacing to 50. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to change this edge. And so what it's doing here is we had the original, and in the first direction up here it gave us this pattern. Because we wanted something on the other side, we wanted to do it in the opposite direction, and that's why we selected this parallel line, and you can see the arrow here, it goes in the opposite direction. But now what it did is it took this one and patterned it here, and then it took this original one and patterned it here. And so if we click on pattern seed only, now it's only taking this one and creating this pattern. So now if I reduce this to 30 like the one above, now you can see I've got one equally spaced here and here, and it's not taking both of those and copying and making a pattern in that second direction. So that is the reason that we use pattern seed only. It just gives us another option when we're going into opposite directions to pattern something. All right, go ahead and save this part and hand it in.